clothes. Zara, Gucci,
Do I look like a movie?
Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Prada are clothing brand names. They conquered almost the whole world and they obsessed people with them. But do you know where they came from or how they were made?
Assalamu alaikum. So when you see made in Bangladesh jeans, you know where it's coming from. We are one of the largest jeans manufacturing company in the world.
From here, in Bangladesh. Every jean you wear comes from here, Bangladesh.
We do roughly about 50 million pieces of jeans every year.
This place is unusual, guys. Bangladesh is incredible. We arrived at Bangladesh, the second clothes manufacturing and exporting country in the world, after China.
And right side, you can see all the factories, and all the top factories are there. So, clothing made in Bangladesh, most of them from are here.
Look, all Zara clothes you see, H&M, Nike, Adidas, come from here.
Chittagong is the main port city and one of the most ancient hub for the shipping. This is the largest EPZ, export processing zone of our country. So economical backbone of the Bangladesh.
Wow.
This doesn't mean it's a fake brand.
No, right? It's a real brand. Yes.
These brands are made here because workforce is cheaper. All brands here. Zara is made right in here.
The environment is also, it's not very hot, humid. It's very comfortable working here, you know. It's very hot outside. But yeah, we have a very good air conditioning, natural air ventilation system.
A lot of disasters happened before because of factory owners exploiting workers. One story in 2013, a factory owner in Dhaka built 2 additional floors on his factory in an illegal manner, which caused the factory to collapse. More than 1,000 people
There's
died.
been another horrific incident at a garment factory in Bangladesh.
Officials discovered cracks in the building yesterday, but workers say they had no choice but to go in.
Building safety, worker safety.
But everything has changed now. These factories changed. The owner of this one in another city called Chittagong will tell us more. Now, if I understand it correctly, this place is the positive side. Other factories exploit workers. This owner fears God. That's what they say. Bangladesh's profit from clothes making is $34 billion yearly, which makes it number 2 after China.
We manufacture Zara, H&M, all high street retail brand, and they are proudly made in Bangladesh.
Across all 5 factories, we have 30,000 workers, people working with us.
More than 30,000 people work with him.
We produce about 50 million pieces of jeans every year.
50 million.
This brand, you take it and you send it to the brands in the world?
Of course. They're our main customers. So all the jeans that you see in H&M, in Zara, in American Eagle, all made in Bangladesh label you see, it's all coming from here.
So that's good, you give opportunity for workers to work.
Absolutely.
And most of our workers are women. So it's a women empowerment.
So this is a lunch break.
This whole floor is for cutting. Every floor specializes in something. I've never seen a garment factory.
Auto cutting.
Look, they're being cut with laser. They have technology that makes it easier for them. They're supported, but I don't know from whom.
This is a testing lab. They'll do a tearing strength test.
So, this lab right here Inside this place, they're all dressed like doctors. What they do is, this is a testing lab to see if it tears or not, if there are any chemical substances that may cause harm. Imagine the number of workers. This is certified by an American organization. They come here to make sure they don't cause harm.
The graph shows how much Newton of force the fabric can take. You have to make sure that the jeans you're wearing, they don't tear. It doesn't tear like this.
I am very grateful to these people. Every woman that left her house to come work here to make all of these clothes. This factory is like a city, like a football field. The number of people working here is incredible, a huge number. It's one of thousands of factories in this city. Besides Turkey, Egypt, and also Morocco, India, and Pakistan, Bangladesh is the second in the world after China in manufacturing clothes, number 2. We're in a store where you'll find the most expensive brands.
You name it, there's Burberry, there's Gucci.
Everything is cheaper here before it's exported outside. I will buy a lot.
Outside this is $800. Really?
I'm sure you know these. I don't know them a lot. But check this out. These are the ones sold in stores worldwide. Like in Dubai, in Paris. The same merchandise, the same material. Here it's for $20. For them it's expensive, but outside it's for $400. Look at the difference.
Bro, being humble is nice, right?
Yeah, bro. Feels great.
I feel like I'm going for Fashion Week in Paris. It's really...
It's so good, man.
Good.
Which brand is this?
Burberry.
Burberry.
Yeah,
bro.
wearing it.
Okay. Bro, I look like a movie.
I hope you liked it. Going for 10 million. Bangladesh, thank you. Okay, we finished the last thing. We paid $1,000. Speaking for the group and myself...
Don't go to Paris. Come to Bangladesh for shopping, guys.
On jeans, he printed my picture on jeans.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much, brother.
I don't know why he did it, but maybe one day you'll buy jeans with my picture on it. I am really sorry if you find it.